Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm or 13mm wrench, a wire brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your car is turned off and parked on a flat surface. For your safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves to prevent any contact with battery acid or potential sparks during the process. These precautions are crucial for a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which typically has a minus sign and a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable first. This is a critical safety step to avoid short circuits. Next, find the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect that one as well. Keep the cables away from the battery. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. Batteries are heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift it carefully to avoid injury. Place the old battery aside for recycling. Now, gently set your new battery into the battery tray, ensuring it sits flat and securely. Reattach the hold-down clamp to keep it firmly in position. To complete the installation, connect the positive terminal first. Attach the red cable to the positive post and tighten the nut firmly. Then, connect the black cable to the negative terminal, ensuring a snug fit. You can apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to prevent future buildup. Finally, start your Toyota Corolla to confirm everything is working correctly, checking lights and accessories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.